Hi everyone. Okay, let's solve this. 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 120. Okay, now if you add these two, you're going to have 4 to the power of x into 1 plus 1. What we have done is factorization, okay? So this is equal to 120. So that's 4 to the power of x into 2 will be equal to 120. So the next target is to remove the 2, so I divide it by itself and it must be on the other side. So this will go. Now 4 to the power of x is equal to 60. So what again should I do? 4 to the power of x, okay, will be equal to 4 multiplied by 15. Because 4 times 15 is 60. Now, the next point again is to take the log of both sides. Since we cannot write 16 in this form, this is log 4 to the power of x equals log 4 times 15. Now, this power will go behind so that we have x log 4 to be equal to log 4 times 15. The power has gone behind. Then the next point is to work on this. If you have log CD, this is the same thing as log C plus log D, because this is multiplication. So we're going to apply the same thing here, and we'll have x log 4 to be equal to, we'll have log 4 plus log 15. Okay, now let me take this time out to ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? Or are you new to my channel? If you're new, please subscribe so you can always have access to my videos. So let's remove this log 4. So we divide by itself, then divide the other side by the same log 4. So that this will go with this one, and then x will be equal to log 4 plus log 15 all over log 4. But then there's something else we can do. We can reposition what we have here so that you will see that log 4 works for the two numerators. So x is going to be log 4 over log 4 plus log 15 over log 4. Sorry, I wrote out of sight. So we're going to, apply change of base. Okay. Now the base of these logs of log 4 here is 10. This is the base 10, this is the base 10, and this is the base 10. So because they are in the same base, we can apply change of base so that x will be equal to log 4 to base 4. This 4 here becomes the base to the numerator. Then plus, here again we have log 15 to the base of 4. So this is what we call change of base. And from here, if you have log a to base a, this is equal to 1. So that means that the whole of this is going to be 1. Let's continue. So this means that our x is going to be 1 plus log 15 to the base of 4. This is the value of x. But then you can decide to press your calculator and get this value in decimal form. Now let's continue as we verify. Okay, verification stage. Right, the equation is 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 120. So that in place of x now, I will put 1 plus log 15 to base 4 plus 4 again to the power of 1 plus log 15 to base 4. Then this right here can be split to get 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 15 to base 4. Right? This is for the first here. Then we're going to have this in two places. So we have 4 again to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log 15 to base 4. Now, what have I really done? See what I did over here. A to the power of b plus c is a to the power of b times a to the power of c. So that is what I did down here. Then 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Then times here, we're going to apply another law. And the law says if you have a to the power of log c to base a, everything here is equal to c. So we can relate this to what we have here, so that the whole of this will be equal to 15. Then plus, we have 4 multiplied by the same 15. And then 4 times 15 is 60. Plus another 4 times 16, which is 60. Now 16 plus 16, 60 plus 60 rather, is 120. I remember the equation 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 120. As a matter of fact, from here, we can say that 4 to the power of x is equal to 60. Okay, so we are very correct to say that our x is 1 plus log 15 to base 4. Thank you for watching, and always subscribe to my channel.